My dear students, today I want to discuss the problems of exercise 8.1 which are under the problem number 11. These problems are very important for the purpose of examination because all the problems are objectives and true and false. Problem number 11, sub problem number 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Answer is false. Why it is false? Because tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. That is sin 90 degree. If you put A is equal to 90 degree, then sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree. And it is 1 by 0. And the value does not exist. So, tan A less than 1 is not always true. Sometimes it is false also. So, result is false. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. This statement is true. Answer is true. Why it is true? I have already explained the answer two types. First is, as I hope, without knowing the domain of this sec A, it is not easy to understand the problem. So, only I want to discuss it for those students who are interested to solve the problem by so many ways. My dear student of standard 10, you know the domain of range of sin A is minus 1 and 1, and cos A is also minus 1 and 1, and the range of sec A is minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Therefore, this statement is true. Now, another reason. The value of sec A is 12 by 5. It is 12k and 5k, where k is positive integer. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is 12k whole square is equal to 5k square plus BC square. This is BC square is equal to 119k square. So BC is equal to 10.9k. Now see the logic. It can be observed that for given two sides, AC is equal to 12k, BC is equal to 5k. BC should be such that AC minus AB less than BC and less than AC plus AB. This we know from the geometry from class 9. And this is 12k minus 5k less than BC less than 12k plus 5k. And this is 7k less than BC less than 17k. However, BC is equal to 10.9k. Clearly, such a triangle is possible, and hence such value of sec A is possible. Hence, the given statement is true. Now, problem number 3. Abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A is cosec A, and cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine of angle A. Try to understand. Cos A is the abbreviation for cosine of angle A, not cosecant of angle A. Hence, the given statement is false. Cot A is not the value, not the product of cot and A. It is cotangent of angle A. Hence, the given statement is also false. Problem number 5. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. We know that in a right angle triangle, sin theta is side opposite to angle theta divided by hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always greater than the remaining two sides. Therefore, such value of sin theta is not possible. Now, we have discussed the all 5 question of the nature of true false. Now, my dear students, now I want to discuss how we will find the value of trigonometrical ratios of 45 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle let B. Let angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45. So, AB is equal to BC. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to A. Therefore, from Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now, let us consider AB is equal to A, AC is equal to A, BC is equal to A, and then AC square is equal to 2A square. So, AC is equal to root 2A. Now, using the definition of the trigonometrical ratio, we have sin 45 degree is equal to side of opposite to angle 45 degree divided by hypotenuse, BC by AC, A by root 2A is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree, side of adjacent to angle 45 degree by hypotenuse, AB by AC, A by A root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Similarly, tan 45, side opposite to angle 45 degree divided by side adjacent to angle 45 degree, that is BC by AB, that is A by A, is equal to 1. Cosec 45 degree is equal to 1 by sin 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Sec 45 degree is equal to 1 by cos 45 degree, and value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, that is root 2. So, cot 45 degree, 1 by tan 45 degree, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now, we can also find the value of trigonometrical ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Suppose ABC is a equilateral triangle. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Since each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. AD is drawn perpendicular from A to BC. In triangle ABD and ACD, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to ADC is equal to 90 degree. So, triangle ABD similar to triangle ADC by congruent to triangle ACD by A criteria. So, BAD is equal to CAD is equal to 30 degree by CPCT. Also, BD is equal to DC is equal to 2A by 2 is equal to A. In right angle triangle, ADB is equal to AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. 2A square minus A square. 4A square minus A square is equal to thrice A square. This implies AD is equal to root 3A. Now we have sin 30 degree is equal to BD by AD, that is A by 2A is equal to half. Cos 30 degree is equal to AD by AB, that is A root 3 by 2A, that is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree is equal to BD by AD is equal to A by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 by sin 30, that is 1 by 2, that is 2. Sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by root 3. Similarly, cot 30 degree is equal to 1 by tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, that is root 3. Similarly, sin 60 degree is equal to AD by AB. A root 3 by 2A is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to BD by AB, that is A by 2A is equal to half. Tan 60 degree is equal to AD by BD, that is A root 3 by A, that is root 3. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 1 by sin 60 degree, 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to 1 by cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by half is equal to 2. Cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by tan 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. My dear student, now I want to write the values of the angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree in a table. How will you make a table? You write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the column, in the row in front of sin A, and divided all the values by 4 and taking its square root, it will be 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 is equal to 1. मैं इस बात को फिर से बताना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं टेबल बनाना चाहता हूँ और टेक्निक के आधार पर इस टेबल को भरना चाहता हूँ. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये रो में लिख दिए एंगल ए के सामने 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, और कॉलम में इधर एंगल ए के नीचे साइन ए, कॉस ए, टेन ए, कॉसेक ए, सेक ए, कॉट ए. 0 डिग्री के नीचे 0, 30 डिग्री के नीचे 1, 45 डिग्री के नीचे 2, 60 डिग्री के नीचे 3 और 90 डिग्री के नीचे 4, और सबको 4 से भाग दे दिए तो 0 बाई 4 0, और उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिए तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 0 इज 0. यहाँ 1 है, इसको भाग दे दिए 4 से तो 1 बाई 4, स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिए तो 1 बाई 2. यहाँ भाग दे दिए इसको किससे 2 बाय 4, दैट इज 1 बाय 2, स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिए 1 बाय रूट 2. यहाँ भाग दे दिए इसको 3 बाय 4, स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिए रूट 3 बाय 2. यहाँ भाग दे दिए इसको 4 से, स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लिए तो 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1. इस तरह साइन के कॉलम में इस नीति से, इस पॉलिसी से हम वैल्यू भर दिए. अब साइन और कॉस दोनों एक दूसरे का कम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है, तो साइन का जो वैल्यू 90 का वैल्यू होगा वो कॉस 0, साइन 60 कॉस 30, साइन 45 कॉस 45, साइन 30 कॉस 60, साइन 0 कॉस 90. इस तरह साइन कॉस का मान हम लोग लिख लिए, और साइन कॉस का मान लिखने के बाद 10 इज द रेशियो ऑफ साइन बाय कॉस, तो साइन 0 बाय कॉस 0, साइन 0 0, कॉस 0 1, इसका वैल्यू 0 बाय 1 इक्वल टू 0. तो 10 इज द रेशियो ऑफ साइन ए बाय कॉस ए. इस तरह हर एंगल का रेशियो के टर्म में वैल्यू लिख ली. फिर कॉसेक ए इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन ए, तो इसी हिसाब से कॉसेक ए का वैल्यू लिख दिए. सेक ए इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ कॉस ए, तो उसी हिसाब से इसका वैल्यू लिख दिए. एंड कॉट ए इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टेन ए, तो उस हिसाब से इसका वैल्यू लिख दिए. बाय कीपिंग इन दिस व्यू, बाय टेकिंग दिस टेक्निक, बाय अप्लाइंग दिस टेक्निक, you can write the value of the angle 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 in the table. So, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस तरह मैंने आपको टेक्निक से भी 0, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री का वैल्यू लिखने के लिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो का सिखाया. थैंक यू वेरी मच.